Yeah,
measuring for a hole for a barbecue. He's not
So
getting.
I got 18, so I got 20 to this. I'm going to measure the window outside, 20 inches. And I have to go up the sill, so I'm going to measure from this window outside, which is the same as this. So I'm assuming mimicking the pipe coming
Come
here.
back when I think happen. Oh, how you doing? How you doing? He's drilling a hole under the deck for the barbecue. He's not getting.
20 by 10, eh? ¿Qué pasó? I mean,
Right, that's what we said, man.
that's what I say, because they always Spanish.
Morning to stink ya.
Spacho. Muy caliente. Fuck you, man.
Despacho, muy caliente. Fuck you.
It's cold out here. Fuck you, man. What did I say? 20 by 10?
Yeah, 20 by 10 we determined.
20
so
right here, right?
20, yes, I believe so. Yes, that's correct.
Oh, okay. You don't have to shout at me.
All right, you don't have to shout at me.
Right. Soup. I got soup.
If it's hot.
Yeah, the soup is hot. I know it's hot. My bowl's all burnt off. I ought to know it's hot.
Come get you. Drill portion's broken.
I'll figure it out. So he's drilling his stuff there.
I feel like one of the guys when the shit don't go right.
Right. I don't know what he's talking about.
I'm gonna need your sawzall. That's right.
Oh, you need my Sawzall?
Right, thankful.
Oh.
I love borrowing.
Yeah, you've been borrowing it for months.
Well, now I need it.
Oh, good.
Right.
Then I'll borrow it back.
Right, after I need it.
Several false starts, and now we're ready. Looking around.
No.
Looking around.
How you doing? Brick you, huh?
Right. Oh, use your drill. And now he's got his own drill. He should be drilling through. His drill is spinning. There he is. Perfect.
Good?
That's perfect right there. And right in the bay is where that is. So that was measured out and came right in where it needs to be. Oh, now I gotta take things back inside.